Unit number 5. It's Country for Me. Author, Patricia DeMuth. Previous videos of this unit. Part number 1 to part number 3 English reading with Urdu translation. Now part number 4. According to book and examination requirements. Summary, main idea, theme, with Urdu translation. This is according to First Year / Grade 11, New English Book, KPK Textbook Board 2020.
Please like and subscribe YouTube channel Sohail, Imdad, to get updates on time.
Question and answer. Question number 1. Analyze the text of It's Country for Me, and give one example of fact and opinion each. Answer. A fact is statement that is true and can be verified objectively, while opinion is a statement that holds an element of belief and cannot be verified objectively. In the text It's Country for Me, it is fact that Joel Holland lived on 245 acres since he was born, 13 years ago, which his great-great-grandfather bought in 1860. While it is the writer's opinion that Joel might have 30,000 visits to the barn, and knows how to care for animal as well himself. Question number 2. How coherence and cohesion is achieved in the essay It's Country for Me? Illustrate with examples from the text. Answer. Coherence refers to the connection of ideas at ideas level, while cohesion means connection at sentence level, where main focus is given to the grammatical aspects. In the essay It's Country for Me, the ideas shift very coherently from one to another. Joel's affiliation with farming is brought to readers, as his mother is wearing good clothes, so Joel goes to feed the Lamby. Similarly, the readers come to know about the lands they farm, which is bought by his great-great-grandfather, and also about his education. Moreover, the writer has used very cohesive sentence structure, with the use of transitional devices, which helps readers comprehend the lesson completely. Question number 3. Explain the significance of the title, It's Country for Me, and its connection to the theme of the lesson. Answer. The title, It's Country for Me, throws light on rural sides of the country, where people live in joint family systems and love to help each other in different chores. Life at countryside is very different, where people have to perform so many roles at the same time. The title has a very good connection with the theme of the essay, as it signifies the importance of life on countryside, as well as it highlights the freedom along with the responsibilities of people living in countrysides. Question number 4. Describe Joel's treatment of Lamby, the orphaned lamb, and Jessica, the small dog. What does this show? Answer. Joel treats the orphaned lamb and Jessica like members of the family. He carries Lammy's meal in a soda pop bottle, capped by a nipple, just like his mother. Similarly, Jessica, who is family dog, accompanies Joel to the barn, shows how affectionately he treats Jessica. This kind of treatment shows that Joel and his family love animals, which is a source of their income. Question number 5. Compare and contrast your daily routine with that of Joel's. How would you rate the motivational level of your doing work with that of Joel's? Answer. Just like Joel, I go to college early in the morning. However, when the college bus drops me off, I go directly home to take some rest, while Joel does daily chores. Life in cities is different from that of country, and unlike Joel, I study at night, while he does his night chores. My weekends are fully for entertainment, and Joel performs chores for several hours on weekends. Seeing Joel performing that many tasks on daily basis really boosted me to change my routine and start doing work like Joel. Question number 6. What skills one is required to learn if he wants to be a full-fledged farmer? Answer. To be full-fledged farmer, farmers have to have many skills. They have to be machine operators, driving immense and powerful vehicles. They have to be mechanics, repairing them, husbandmen, raising livestock, veterinarians, tending them when sick, agriculturists, growing food on a large scale, and business people managing, like Joel's father, a farm operation worth nearly $1 million. As Joel works on the farm, he is all these workers. Question number 7. In cities, no one is quiet, but many are lonely. In country, many are quiet, but few are lonely. Explain this statement in the light of the text of "It's Country for Me" that you have read. Answer. In the above statement, the writer tries to compare city life with country life. In cities, there is hustle and bustle, but people get less opportunity to sit with family, discuss things, and help family in the daily chores, which makes them lonely. However, it is not the case with people living in the country, as they do sit with family members in important discussion, work alongside them for family's well-being, due to which they never feel lonely. Question number 8. In what way does Joel play the role of an adult? Answer. Though Joel is a teenager, he does the work of an adult. He works alongside his family, which is important for family's well-being. Joel does the role of an adult by learning new skills. Even when he is not actively involved, he can readily answer any question. He listens as his dad counsels, a seed customer, as his brother Terry consults, a vet about recent deaths in his hog herd, as his older brothers discuss soil planning while they mend a fence. Knowledge seems to be constantly seeping into Joel's mind.
Please like and subscribe YouTube channel Sohail, Imdad to get updates on time.